The universe's cosmic background radiation is 2.7 Kelvin. A star's brightness depends on its size and temperature. Mercury's surface reaches 427 degrees Celsius. The Butterfly Nebula has glowing gas wings. Jupiter's moon Io has over 400 volcanoes. The moon's surface has lunar rilles. A parsec equals 3.6 light years. Saturn's moon Titan has liquid ethane lakes. The Veil Nebula is a supernova remnant. Venus' rotation takes 243 Earth days. The Sun's flares travel at 1 million kilometers per hour. Mars' Olympus Mons is 3 times Everest's height. The Large Magellanic Cloud is 160,000 light-years away. A red dwarf can live for 10 trillion years. Uranus' moon, Miranda, has 10-kilometer cliffs. The Rosette Nebula spans 130 light-years. Jupiter's moon Europa's ocean is 100 kilometers deep. The moon's surface has rayed craters. A blazar's jets point directly at Earth. Neptune's winds form dark vortices. The Tarantula Nebula hosts massive stars. Pluto's atmosphere is 100,000 times thinner than Earth's. The Sun's corona has million-degree temperatures. Mars' Valles Marineris is 11 kilometers deep. The Small Magellanic Cloud is 200,000 light-years away. Saturn's moon Enceladus has saltwater geysers. A hypernova releases 100 times a supernova's energy. The moon's crust is thinner on its near side. Venus clouds reflect 75% of sunlight. The Sun's core has 150 times water's density. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, is larger than Mercury. The Crab pulsar spins 30 times per second. Uranus' atmosphere has faint cloud bands. The Orion Arm is the Milky Way's spiral arm. A supernova's light can linger for months. Mars' moon, Phobos, orbits 3 times daily. The Sun's surface has convective granules. The Pinwheel Galaxy has 100 billion stars. Saturn's moon Rhea has a faint ring system. The moons Maria are volcanic plains. A gamma ray burst lasts seconds to minutes. Venus' surface has no liquid oceans. The Sun's heliosphere is 100 astronomical units wide. Jupiter's atmosphere has hexagonal storms. The Swan Nebula is 5,500 light-years away. Neptune's moon Triton has volcanic plains. The moon's surface has no atmosphere. A neutron star's spin creates radio pulses. Pluto's surface has carbon monoxide ice. The Sun's prominences reach 100,000 kilometers. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. The Triangulum galaxy has 40 billion stars. Saturn's moon Tethys has a reflective surface. A star's fusion creates heavier elements. Uranus' moon Ariel has icy canyons. The Sun's core produces 380 photowatt of power. The Hourglass Nebula has a dying star. Venus' surface has lava channels. The Moon's orbit causes tidal locking. Jupiter's moon Callisto has ancient ice. The Cat's Paw Nebula forms new stars. Mars' surface has dry river valleys. The Sun's chromosphere is 2,000 kilometers thick. Saturn's moon, Dione, has frost-covered craters. A white dwarf's core is carbon-oxygen. Neptune's atmosphere has methane clouds. The Moon's craters are billions of years old. The Andromeda galaxy has 1 trillion stars. Pluto's moon Charon is half its size. The Sun's energy travels 8.3 minutes to Earth. Jupiter's magnetic field spans 7 million kilometers. The Bubble Nebula is carved by stellar winds. Venus' atmosphere has lightning storms. The Moon's highlands are 4.4 billion years old. A blazar's jets travel near light speed. Mars' poles have carbon dioxide ice. The Sun's core fuses hydrogen into helium. The Pinwheel galaxy is 21 million light-years away. Saturn's moon Iapetus has a 20-kilometer ridge. Uranus' moon Umbriel has a dark surface. The Sun's flares cause geomagnetic storms. Jupiter's moon Amalthea is reddish. The Moon's surface has no volcanic activity. The Rosette Nebula has a star cluster. Mars' moon Deimos is covered in dust. The Sun's magnetic field cycles every 11 years. The Cigar galaxy has intense star formation. Saturn's moon Hyperion has chaotic rotation. Venus' surface pressure crushes submarines. The Moon's craters have raised rims. A hypernova creates heavy elements. Jupiter's atmosphere has sulfur compounds. The Sun's core is 15 million degrees Kelvin. Neptune's moon, Nereid, has an irregular orbit. The Veil Nebula spans 110 light-years. Mars' surface has iron-rich dust. The Sun's heliopause is 120 astronomical units away. Saturn's moon Tethys has a smooth surface. The Moon's orbit is 27.3 days long. The Tarantula Nebula is in a dwarf galaxy. Uranus moon Titania has fault scarps. The Sun's energy powers Earth's climate. Jupiter's moon Europa has reddish streaks. The Butterfly Nebula's gas reaches 20,000 Kelvin. Venus clouds are 50 kilometers thick. The Moon's surface has no weather erosion. Orvis ist 3,0 Kelvin. Mars moon Phobos has linear grooves. The Sun's corona has solar loops. The large Magellanic Cloud has 30 billion stars. Saturn's moon Rhea has ice-covered craters. A gamma-ray burst can outshine galaxies. Neptune's atmosphere has diamond crystals. The Moon's core is 300 kilometers wide. The Swan Nebula has a bright core. Jupiter's moon Callisto has no volcanoes. The Sun's flares release X-rays. Venus' surface has volcanic domes. The Pinwheel Galaxy's arms are star-rich. Saturn's moon Dione has linear ridges. The Moon's surface has lunar dust. A blazar's energy comes from a black hole. Mars' atmosphere thins at high altitudes. The Sun's core fuses 600 million tons per second. The Cigar Galaxy is 12 million light-years away. Uranus moon Oberon has ancient craters. The moons Maria are darker than highlands. Jupiter's moon Io's volcanoes emit sulfur dioxide. The Hourglass Nebula has a pinched shape. Venus clouds rotate faster than its surface. The Sun's heliosphere deflects interstellar dust. Saturn's moon Enceladus has tiger stripes. The Moon's craters have central peaks. The Rosette Nebula's stars are young. Mars' surface has seasonal frost. The Sun's magnetic field causes prominences. Neptune's moon Triton has a frozen surface. The Andromeda Galaxy's core is dense. Jupiter's moon Ganymede has a thin oxygen layer. The Moon's orbit drifts 3.8 centimeters yearly. A red dwarf emits faint red light. Venus' surface has no magnetic protection. The Sun's core produces gamma rays. The Tarantula Nebula spans 600 light-years. Saturn's moon Tethys has a low density. Mars' moon Phobos is slowly spiraling inward. The Moon's surface has seismic quakes. The large Magellanic Cloud has a bar structure. Uranus' moon Miranda has chaotic terrain. The Sun's flares disrupt satellite signals. Jupiter's atmosphere has high-speed jets. The Butterfly Nebula's star is 200,000 Kelvin. Venus clouds cause intense greenhouse effects. The Moon's craters are impact-formed. The Swan Nebula's core is ionized gas. Mars' surface has volcanic ash layers. The Sun's core pressure is 250 billion atmospheres. Saturn's moon Rhea has a thin atmosphere. The Pinwheel Galaxy has a bright spiral. Neptune's moon, Nereid, is 340 kilometers wide. The Moon's highlands are heavily cratered. A hypernova's light travels billions of years. Jupiter's moon Europa has a smooth surface. The Sun's heliosphere is asymmetrical. Venus' surface has no water vapor. The Rosette Nebula's gas is 10,000 Kelvin. Saturn's moon Dione has icy plains. The Moon's orbit causes lunar phases. The Cigar Galaxy's stars form rapidly. Mars' moon Deimos orbits in 30 hours. The Sun's corona has solar streamers. Jupiter's moon Callisto has a faint atmosphere. The Hourglass Nebula's star is collapsing. Venus clouds have sulfuric acid droplets. The Moon's surface has lunar breccia. The Andromeda Galaxy's halo is 1 million light-years wide. Saturn's moon Tethys has a giant rift. The Sun's core fuses helium into carbon. Mars' atmosphere has dust devils. The Tarantula Nebula has 800,000-year-old stars. Uranus' moon Ariel has grooved terrain. The Moon's craters have ejector blankets. Jupiter's moon Io surface is colorful. The Sun's magnetic field creates solar wind. The Swan Nebula's stars are massive. Venus' surface has no wind erosion. The Moon's core is 1.5% of its mass. Neptune's moon Triton has a thin nitrogen layer. The Large Magellanic Cloud has supernova. Saturn's moon Rhea has no volcanic activity. The Sun's flares cause auroral displays. Mars' surface has sulfate minerals. The Pinwheel Galaxy's core is active. Jupiter's moon Ganymede has polar caps. The Moon's surface has lunar lava tubes. The Butterfly Nebula's gas expands rapidly. Venus clouds obscure its surface. The Sun's core fuses for million tons per second. Saturn's moon Enceladus has cryovolcanoes. The Moon's orbit is slightly tilted. The Rosette Nebula's cluster is 5 million years old. Mars' moon, Phobos, has a low density. The Sun's heliosphere protects planets. Uranus' moon, Titania, has a reflective surface. The Cigar Galaxy's core is starburst. Jupiter's atmosphere has water vapor. The Moon's craters have secondary impacts. The Tarantula Nebula's stars are luminous. Venus' surface has volcanic calderas. The Sun's core generates 99% of its energy. Saturn's moon Dione has a cracked surface. The Andromeda Galaxy's disk is warped. Mars' surface has ancient lake beds. The Moon's highlands have anorthosite. Neptune's moon, Nereid, has a faint atmosphere. The Sun's flares travel millions of kilometers. Jupiter's moon Europa has ice rafts. The Swan Nebula's gas is ionized. Venus clouds have a yellowish hue. The Moon's surface has lunar faults. The large Magellanic Cloud has nebulae. Saturn's moon Tethys has icy slopes. The Sun's core has a 10-minute oscillation. Mars' atmosphere has nitrogen traces. The Pinwheel Galaxy's arms are gas-rich. Jupiter's moon Callisto has eroded craters. The Moon's orbit affects Earth's tides. The Butterfly Nebula's star is compact. Venus' surface has high plateaus. The Sun's heliosphere is comet-shaped. Saturn's moon Rhea has a faint oxygen layer. The Rosette Nebula's stars emit UV light. Mars' moon Deimos has a low albedo. The Moon's craters have terraced walls. Uranus moon Oberon has a reddish hue. The Sun's core fuses oxygen into neon. Jupiter's moon Io has lava lakes. The Cigar Galaxy's stars are young. Venus clouds block UV radiation. The Moon's surface has lunar scarps. The Andromeda Galaxy has 300 globular clusters. Saturn's moon Enceladus has a reflective surface. The Sun's flares cause power outages. Mars' surface has wind-carved dunes. The Tarantula Nebula's gas is dense. Neptune's moon Triton has a young surface. The Moon's highlands are 4.5 billion years old. Jupiter's moon Ganymede has magnetic fields. The Sun's core is 13% of its radius. Venus' surface has no seasonal changes. The Swan Nebula's stars are 10,000 years old. Saturn's moon Dione has a thin exosphere. The moon's craters have ray patterns. The large Magellanic Cloud has a bar shape. Mars' surface has ancient floodplains. The Sun's heliosphere blocks cosmic rays. Jupiter's moon Europa has tectonic plates. The pinwheel galaxy's core has a black hole. Venus clouds have a 4-day rotation. The moon's surface has lunar regolith. The Rosette Nebula's gas-formed stars. Saturn's moon Tethys has a faint ring. The Sun's core fuses neon into magnesium. Mars' moon Phobos has a porous structure. The Butterfly Nebula's star is shrinking. Uranus' moon Miranda has a patchwork surface. The moon's orbit causes annular eclipses. Jupiter's moon Io has sulfur plumes. The sun's flares emit ultraviolet light. The Cigar Galaxy's core is compact. Venus' surface has no plate movement. The moon's craters have shadowed floors. The Andromeda Galaxy's stars are old. Saturn's moon Rhea has a rocky core. The Sun's core fuses magnesium into silicon. Mars' surface has hematite spheres. The Tarantula Nebula's stars are massive. Jupiter's moon Callisto has a thick crust. The moon's surface has lunar boulders. Neptune's moon Triton has a thin haze.